ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Sir, ಇದು total ಒಂದಿಂದ sir sitting ಇನ್ನ another 20 to 30 minutes delay ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಇರೋರ್ಗೆ?
Okay, sir. Yeah, we noted.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
The sitting will commence after 20 to 30 minutes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Permission. Second list, first matter, my lord, it is called on 26/9, my lord, where other matters have been posted.
Today it is posted.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Second list, first matter,
Second list first.
26/9,
26/9.
9, this I.
No.
The,
26.
the other 6 matters have been posted on that day, my lord, yesterday. Seven Industries case.
18. Which is that serial number?
Second list, first matter. Second matter, sir.
15400.
Yes.
List number 3.
List number 2, my lord.
21235.
Yes, my lord.
So it was
Called on
stated by learned
26/9.
petitioner that's are posted on
26/9.
accordingly. The present read petition shall also be listed on 26/9.
I have filed a withdrawal memo for this petition, my lord.
Withdrawal memo.
Withdrawal memo.
13. 12.
But one writ appeal matter, my lord, it was listed yesterday.
Pardon?
It was one writ appeal matter, my lord. It was listed yesterday. It was not reached, my lord. It is urgent to 26/9, my lord. There is some urgency.
What is the other?
The transfer matter, my lord, is against grant of interim order.
Hmm.
It is against grant of interim order by the learned single judge. Interim order is operating against me. It is urgent to 26/9, my lord. Just for any early date, my lord.
Well,
Monday, next Monday, my lord.
what is wrong in 12th? Oh, Monday. But it is already adjourned. If you file IE, we will not prepone if it is already by judicial order. It must be, it is signed. It is signed. File IE and we'll prepone it.
Please, sir.
Pardon? Little louder, come near.
Apologies, my lord. The auction of the subpar iron ore is happening on 12th of this month, my lord. I have written to the director of Mines and Geology Department saying that you kindly do not auction the iron ore belonging to me, but they have not considered my representation, my lord. My lord, if it can be taken up tomorrow, my lord. The auction is happening on 12th
Monday.
Monday.
My lords,
31, item number 31, kindly be taken up after 12th, my lords, because before the Supreme Court is coming only on Monday.
Lordship, I'm appearing in this case, Lordship on VC.
Which-
Lordship, my only concern is that last time also,
You people are fighting like anything.
no, Lordship, the problem is that in the Supreme
What
Court
had
also,
already been settled by your lordship in the chamber, I do not understand how they can.
No
take us-
difficulty. When
My lords, that will be posted on.
we'll abide by
Monday.
whatever Supreme Court.
Lordship, my only point is that even on the last date, can I just make a submission?
Any 12th or 13th, my lords. any
No,
day.
Lordship, we can't have such a short date, Lordship. The reason being this, the matter is,
17th.
the Lordship may have it on,
17th.
17th?
Lordship, can it be on the 1st of October, Lordship? The reason is that I have a connected matter for
don't
Lordship, and
understand
Lordship has
this
already
We'll,
given,
1st October, we'll see thereafter. Let it be.
because Lordship has already said in the event the matter
Only
was,
thing that it is matrimonial if
Lordship, they are not settling.
election comes
Yes.
from the
Supreme
Supreme
Court,
Court.
Listed on
Supreme
Monday
Court has asked them to settle the case. They don't want, they sat in the Supreme Court mediation center only for one day. And then they say, we don't want to settle. Supreme Court has asked them to settle, they don't want to settle. And
Mr.
they want to
Kapoor,
expedite the matters
only-
everywhere.
We will not take up so long it is pending before the Supreme Court.
I'm
but
so
if-
grateful, Lordship, but have it on the 1st of October,
Oh.
Lordship.
Yes,
my lords,
17th, my lords.
17th.
Great.
Can it be on the 1st of October, Lordship, 17th?
We'll adjourn it if necessary. On that day, we'll adjourn it.
my lords, we were before my lords in July against a pollution control board order, which had not given us the consent for operation. My lords had ordered them and observed in the order that they should expeditiously, within an outer limit of 6 weeks, dispose of our case. Now, my lords, going by a Kane Commissioner's communication to them, what they have done is they have kept the matter in abeyance. So now we are again before my lords. So if this matter could be taken up next week, my lords, because we have been shut from the past 2 years, my lords, we have been trying the
That environment compensation,
environmental pollution control board,
environment compensation matter.
not compensation matter, my lords. Our factory itself has been ordered to be
19th.
shut. 19th, my lords.
My lords, kindly, serial number 85 was directed to be listed in admission matters, my lords. On 19/8, your lordship directed the registry to register it on 19/8. This court directed the matter to be listed in admission. In spite of it, it is come in orders, my lords. Last time it had come in admission, but it could not be taken up.
So what do you want today?
Any day, my lords, convenient to the court in admission, my lords. There is
Choose
already
your date and whatever date you choose, we'll give.
18th, my lords.
18th,
18th or 19th, subject to your
18th.
lordship's convenience.
18th.
Please, madam.
List number 2, seal number 1 for pronouncement of order, Mr. Ajay Kumar Patil for petition.
So this is writ petition number 15/40024. So So we have considered all the aspects of the controversy in detail. The judgment was sorry delayed for my personal reasons for few days, 3-4 days. So we are just read the operative paragraphs. In view of the stand taken by respondent to Karnataka Examination Authority in its affidavit in reply, and more particularly in light of what is laid down by the Supreme Court in Anushka Renguthwar, the eligibility contemplated in clause 6 of notification dated 9th January 24 and in clause 6.1 of the information bulletin shall not apply. Full stop. Notwithstanding that the petitioner is not a citizen of India, she shall be treated for the purpose of admission to the professional courses in accordance with the law laid down in Anushka by the apex court. In that view, the condition that no candidate shall be eligible for admission to government seats unless he is citizen of India will not attach debility for the petitioner for the reason that rights conferred under notification dated 4th March 21 and the decision in that regard in Anushka Renguthwar would govern. In light of the above, from relief to the aforesaid extent is allowed for the petitioner. Following is held and declared. 1. The rights of the petitioner as OCI card holder registered under Section 7 capital A of the Citizenship 1955 shall be governed for the purpose of admission to the professional courses in accordance with and as per the interpretation by the Supreme Court in Anushka. Neither the aforesaid notifications nor the decision of the Supreme Court in Anushka deal with the entitlement of persons such as petitioner who is OCI card holder to be extended the benefit under Article 371J of the Constitution, and for that purpose, for extending the provisions of Karnataka Education Institutions Regulation of Admission in Hyderabad Karnataka Region Order 2013. As for the reasons supplied in the judgment, the category of beneficiaries under Article 371J, and for that purpose, the Karnataka Hyderabad Order 2013 are distinct and separate class when juxtaposed with the class of persons who have the status of OCI card holders under Section 7 capital A of the 1955 Act. Both the above classes are distinct classes with distinct characteristics in facts and in law, not comparable, nor liable to be grouped together for the purpose of admission under the Hyderabad Karnataka or Kalyana Karnataka quota under Article 371J of the Constitution. Article 370J contemplates and provides for reservation. It is a special provision to be applied to the specified category, which is again a special category to be extended the benefit of reservation, and in whom the petitioner and like persons would not include. For the several reasons enumerated, the petitioner does not have the homogeneity to be treated alike. The definition of local person, conceptualized in clause 4 of the Karnataka Hyderabad Order 2013, would be said to be limited and has the reference of the category of persons to be treated for the benefit of reservation under Article 371J of the Constitution. The provision of Article 371J of the Constitution does not cover the class of OCI card holders, and to such class, the article shall have no application. The prayer of the petitioner to be included for the benefit under Article 371J of the Constitution is declined. So, Mr. Ramesh, because of your affidavit, you have said that clause 6 will.
That we have given, they have taken also.
Anything?
That's okay. That's good.
Yes, Mr. Kamath, anything?
No, I'm grateful.
Yes. List to seal number 3, Mr. Saravana, yes.
Appear for appellant in this case, my lords. Notes I produced the website order sheet of the order passed by the learned single judge. And rest, Lord, and rest of the office objection is the typed copy and translation and other are technical grounds. Notes, your lordship here to see annexure A, page 29, my lords. This is a notification issued by the state.
You're not supplied the complete set of papers.
Notes, the objections, they are not filed it, notes. Objections, the state has not filed any
No,
objections.
no, the papers are not available in the second set, mister. You do put your house in order
Notes, may I have this matter tomorrow. Notes.
whenever you want.
I will take chance tomorrow. Notes. Elections are on 6/9.
The papers in the second set does not tally with those in the first set. The petitioner is directed to put the house in order. Full stop. It is only the proper sets are supplied to the registry, comma. It is only after the proper sets are supplied to the registry, comma, the petition shall be posted.
My apologies, notes, I didn't.
List number 3, seal number 1. Anil Kumar.
Let's,
But I'm for the third and fourth respondents.
This matter, my lords, on the
Point number 2, my lord.
What is this?
Lords, this matter, my lords, on the last occasion, my lords. Lords, learned senior counsel, my lords, on behalf of the petitioner, and made a mention to the court saying that other series of matters are before the single judge, my lords. So it was posted for today.
This is that matter.
Please, lords.
That,
Lord, my respectful submission is, Lord, this pertains to admission. This has to remain here. This pertains to medical admission.
it has to remain here.
It has to remain here.
It will remain here.
Because this pertains to Ayurvedic colleges, lords, or Ayurvedic colleges.
You can't,
Please, my lords, I'm ready with that.
Mr. Counsel.
Please, my lords.
I don't know who has filed the other petition which you are relying on. Where is that order?
Produce the copy on the last date of hearing.
So you're relying on that order?
For the interim order, it was relied upon.
Yes. It was filed by whom?
My lords, various other colleges.
It was filed by you?
It was not filed.
Who?
My lords, different councils are appearing that matter, my lords, for various other colleges.
If we say so that the,
My lords, I'm ready to appear before this court. My lords. It's not that. The only thing is that, my lords,
we will not tolerate,
please, I apologize.
we'll tolerate everything, but not mischief.
I apologize, my lords. My apologies.
And we'll sort of set aside immediately if the matters are circulated by your ingenuity through office, through collusion office,
No, my lords.
before a wrong bench,
No, my lords.
having no roster.
My apologies.
We will not tolerate, I will not tolerate on administrative side such.
Please.
And you are here to request that you follow the single judge order?
No, my lords.
Yesterday that was a request, day before.
By other council. I'm sorry, my lords. We are ready.
That is unheard of. You are part of mischief. Yes, proceed. What is the matter?
Can I?
Forget learner single judge's order.
No, no.
We are not bound by learner single judge's order. We are division bench. And don't make the orders, don't rely on the orders which are passed without roster.
Could I request for a pass on? Could I request for a short pass on?
Why?
Lana senior counsel would appear in this matter.
For what then you are getting listed in the separate board?
And short pass on notes.
You are playing mischief and binding the division bench? You are your counterpart. It will go to some other date. Well. I have taken to task the officers also in this matter. And don't rely on single judge's matter,
No.
interim order before division bench. That is out of propriety, to say the least. Yes.
Lord, there have been a lot of sharp practices
Urgency is there.
in this.
Sorry.
Any urgency is there?
Because there's
The
no
order of
urgency.
learner single judge was passed in July.
Correct, my lords. My lords, I'm not relying on.
Lord, students who are not eligible have been admitted in violation of the law. Lord, the only way to give admission is through counseling, because through counseling, merit-based students will be given.
So what is the single judge order? At least I do not.
My lord, single judges have permitted admission and they have written examination. No, the learned single judge ought not to. My lord, first of all, the matter should not have gone there. It should have come here.
Where are those matters? Listed today? Which is that matter?
Can I pass over? So I was not the counsel.
I saw yesterday that matter.
I may apologize. I was not the counsel over there, my lords.
Maybe.
My sincere apologies. I'm not the party insofar as
You are
the.
not a party, but still you are relying on.
My lords, this court has granted an interim order. Just brought to the notice of the court.
Unknown practice, interim order of this learner single judge, which prima facie passed without sanction of roster. You are relying on before division bench?
I'm sorry, my lords. It's not the interim. My lords have already granted an order, my lords.
Who has granted?
My lords have granted, my lords. My lords have granted in this petition, my lords.
If so, or if division bench order is there, show us, we'll follow it.
No, my lords, in this case, in the present case itself, my lords, had permitted us to write the examination in the present case itself.
In the present case.
Please, I'm not relying on the order of the trial, single judge, my lords.
Where is that?
It's on the first hearing date itself, my lords.
In this
First
very.
hearing.
Yeah, 11, sir. 1-8. 11, sir.
Lord, the issue in these petitions is the validity of admission of certain students to Ayurvedic colleges.
Anyway, that is a different aspect. We have now passed the order, rightly or wrongly. And providing that no right or equities will be created.
Yes,
So we'll post it for final hearing.
yes, my lord. Sometime the
When?
following week or the week thereafter, my lord.
When?
uh, Can it be 12/9, my lord? 12/9,
Is 12th.
12th of September, my lord? Next week. 12th of September.
12th.
12th of September.
Is
Yes, Your
12th.
Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
September.
September. The only issue is the students have continued studying, and by virtue of the interim order, they've taken up examinations.
Or even 18th or 19th is fine, lord. Well,
My apologies. Sincere.
The present petition shall be listed for final hearing on 12th of September. We'll proceed. We will not keep this pending either way, because
Please,
this,
please.
the state of affairs are not welcome on your part. You means your, yes.
grateful.
Still number 2, from Mohammed Tayyip.
Affidavits are ready, my lord.
Pardon.
Our affidavits are ready. Yesterday, I couldn't serve him, my lord.
No, sure. I received the copy of subjection right away. Petitioner is the native of Karnataka. And he challenging the seat matrix.
On the last occasion.
Discriminatory sealed seat matrix tilting in the favor of other state students, Lordship. I have received the objection from the state, and state is relying on the section 4A of Karnataka Professional Education Institution Regulation Admission Determination Fees Act, Lordship, 2006. Lordship, my humble submission is kindly take the law, Lordship, section A. Karnataka Professional Education Institution Regulation of Admission and Determination of Fees Act 2006.
This junction.
My contention is, Lordship, the private seats, management seats, which is available in the state of Karnataka for a MBBS admission, Lordship. Out of this total seats, 40% seats were reserved for the student from other states, where the Karnataka students cannot compete, Lordship. And all other states are protecting the interest of their state students. Even some state has completely barred the student from other states to participate in the management seats. Some states, particularly South Indian states, has protected the interest of their state students by restricting the reservation only for up to 15%. Even in those 15%, their state student also can apply. But that is not the case in state of Karnataka. I'll just pass on the prospectus. May I pass on the prospectus? Prospectus for this. So we can Kindly turn to page number 19, Lordship, chapter number 2. There is a seat matrix is provided, Lordship. Page number 19, relevant in page number 20, Lordship. Half of the seat is reserved for the government category where the merit students can compete. Half of the seats are available as a management seats, Lordship. And it is divided in following manner, Lordship. 55% of seats reserved as a private quota seats. May I read, Lordship? 66% of the seats will be filled by the respective religious linguistic minority candidates, which is not relevant. In 34% of the above seats, the remaining 34% of the total management seats. GMP, general merit private seats. 50% of the above 34 seats are reserved for the candidate of Karnataka state, GMP. Then the remaining is open category, Lordship. The 50% of the above 34 seats are reserved for all India candidates who are citizen of India. And this, I am contesting against this 34% seats, which is amounts to 40% of the total management seats, Lordship. I had given the numbers also in my petitions. Lordship, kindly appreciate there is a in bold word, some instructions are given. Yes. Counseling is going on. I'm seeking a stay of Lordship.
I'm okay.
She is up.
The closed state. General merit private seats. Private seats. Lordship, I have pleaded that the student expire. Lordship, we have pleaded. But even against the law, Lordship, which what is they are citing, there. But if it is a discriminatory act of the state against their own citizens, Lordship. Lordship, even the law which they are relying on, it does not give any possibility for opening this. Lordship, I'm the student of the same state. For that reason, I'm affected, Lordship. Lordship, the student of these states are not getting a sufficient benefit of their private seats, Lordship, and the other state students are entitled. For that reason, I'm affected, Lordship. Lordship, I am a student, and this year, Lordship, because if the less seat will be available, I may not get admissions. In that way, I'm affected, Lordship.
Number 3. LM Chidanandaya.
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ Lord, may I make a mention, Lord? There's a direction to file an affidavit. Previous matter.
In the
Lord, in the
previous
previous
matter, there was a
matter,
direction to file
there's a
affidavit.
direction to
It was
file an
ready.
affidavit.
We also said the same thing when it's a policy matter backed by the statutory provisions. That's what we have said in the petition. In the previous matter. This matter, my lord, with regard to this. But what I say is that the previous matter, there's a direction by this honorable court to file our affidavits. Affidavits were ready.
In serial number 2.
Yes, serial number 2, Lordship.
We have given it to him, almost, we have
Petition
said the same thing, my lord, the policy issue backed by. I'm filing it now. So we are filing it now. We are filing- Sir.
My submission in the. Lordship, my submission also may be recorded in respect of these objections, Lordship. Lordship. Lordship, my submission also may be recorded in respect of the objection which I have filed, Lordship. My submission is that. So though I have filed objection, that will be taken record if my contrary is not been, my submission has not been, I got. Lordship, their objection has been taken in record. If I am not make a statement against that objections, it will appear that I have conceded to their objections, Lordship. Because it was taken in last after the dictation of the order, the objection was taken on record. My submission against that objections, Lordship, it has to be recorded. Because when that objection has been taken in record, so what I want to make a submission in respect of that objections, that also may be recorded in an order, Lordship. And my submission is, Lordship, the relying on section 4A. What I'm making request, Lordship. No, Lordship, I am making a request when objections, pleading of objections are recorded in the order. Lordship, what will happen is, Lordship, when more number of students will be there, then there is a right, the student, those that belongs to Karnataka, they will not have a sufficient opportunity. And liberty may be granted, Lordship. And this liberty may be granted to the petitioner to file specific petition. Lordship, my difficulty is when objection has been taken on record. So my statement, response to that objection also maybe come in the order, Lordship. The objection filed by the respondent, Lordship. Lordship, I'll withdraw it with the liberty to file a specific petition.
Yes, we take it. Judicial order.
Number 3.
Here for the
Elam
objection,
Chidanandaya.
Lordships, state government has filed its objection and given a copy now. I look into it, make submissions. Monday it may be called here, Lordship. Because they were asked to file their statement of objection on last occasion. So now they filed their statement of objections, but Rajiv Gandhi University respondent 4, 5 and 6 have not filed any objections, your Lordships. But state government has filed, because as the last date is on 14/9 for mop-up round. So I request this matter may be called on Monday, your Lordships. To include my name, include the petitioner name in the seat matrix I had asked, written the nature of
Lordships,
mandate.
kindly may be permitted to pass on the objection.
Honored additional government advocate, Mr. Hegde, files the statement of objections, which is taken on record. In that view, learned advocate, so and so on, request for time, stand on 18.
Monday, your Lordships, because before 14th, my writ petition will become infructuous, because I have to ask, the name has to be included, your Lordships. 13th is the last date for the recognition. Because central government has granted me the, my name to be included. It is a state.
With
KE has
submission
not
is
done.
patently incorrect, Millards. There is, Millards, I appear for respondent number 2. It has been their case all along, Millards, that the central, it has been their case, Millards, the petitioner's case, that the central government has accorded permission for the year 2024-25, which is incorrect, Millards. Let them demonstrate, Millards, from the writ petition where there is such recognition awarded by the central government, Millards. If I may, Millards, just for a moment, draw your Lordship's attention to page 79, Millards. Millards, 79, Millards. Annexure S, Millards.
79.
Millards, in fact, in item 1, Millards, your Lordships had mentioned, Millards, that admission matters and seat matrix matters, Millards, have to come before the division bench, Millards, the Honorable Division Bench. Now, in the previous year, Millards.
You have nothing to say about that.
Please, no, Millards.
The administrative domain.
No, Millards, this is, I'm just pointing out
No,
that in
it
the,
is what you are pointing out.
Millards, in the previous year.
The business of the Chief Justice. You have no say, no comments.
No,
You're
no,
not
Millards.
inviting any comments about the posting.
No, Millards. Previous year, Millards, they have taken an interim order. If your Lordships just has 79, Millards. I'm not commenting on anything, Millards. 79 Millards, just for a moment.
You argue if this doesn't belong to this bench, then say that doesn't.
No, Millards. I'm saying previous year's order has gone before the learned single judge. It ought to have been before your Lordships, Millards.
That is no, you have no say about it.
Please, Millards. Then I'm saying in respect of, Millards, any order by the central government, Millards, providing recognition is not there, Millards.
Yes, what you are pointing out.
Millards, please see page number 79, Millards.
Yes.
In 2023-24, Millards, respondent number 2, Millards, had directed, Millards, who made a recommendation rather to the central government that the recognition of this college should be withdrawn, Millards.
This was, madam, heard before this court earlier.
No, your lordships, this was heard before the learned judge because the matter was posted for the admission. And my learned friend has filed vacating stay, 4 vacating stay, writ appeal before this honorable court, still not moved and removed the office objection, your lordships. There's a
May I
writ appeal
point
also
out?
pending in the matter. That's entirely a different subject. It is only now I am seeking a direction from KE and Rajiv Gandhi University to include my name to seat matrix and so that I can make students appointed to the set post. Because 14/9 is the last date, your lordships.
You
That's
are
the
a-
reason I'm seeking writ in the nature of mandamus.
You are a college.
I'm a college, your lordships, asking my name to be.
So
included in
why,
seat
why,
matrix.
why they are declining?
Earlier, because of certain issues, your lordships, it was declined. Now I've complied with all the issues, your lordships, and now they've not considered. So we have told that 5th and 6th respondents have already included, the second has included my name. Now the state government, that is KE and Rajiv Gandhi University, have to include it. 5th and 6th respondents.
11.
Lordships, instead of 11th, 10th, your lordships. Because 14th is the last date here.
So 2 days will be there. 11th will take.
Yes, please.
Reply, pleadings are over.
Only respondent number 3 has filed their objection, your lordships, sir. Nobody else has filed their objection. May I request their names may be shown in the registry, your lordships. They're not shown the.
What is your good name?
Well, it's Mr. GS Bhatt.
Send over to 11th of September. Name of
Yes.
learned joins appearing for
Respondent number 2, the Dental Council of India.
Central
Because
Com.
this is an ongoing issue, with the college, therefore. It's
You
nothing
are
else.
welcome. Who says that you know?
Please, I had to point it out, that before the single judge, also different contentions are taken. I'll make good my submission in the 11th.
We had memories of earlier matters.
Matters. They filed their statement of objection. They filed writ appeal also.
It's the writ appeal may have been ill-advised. I filed a vacating for stay, I'll
Vacated
pursue
of
that.
As appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2, Central Government of India. Union of India. Union of India.
Union of India.
No, it's for respondent number 2. This Dental Council of India.
Dental Council.
Please,
Dental Council.
Number 4.
Bill number 4, I appear
Yeah,
for
Damodar.
Krishna Manas. Is a matter pertaining to a sports quota, my lords. And is a matter pertaining to a sports quota in UGCET. And the last date of hearing, my lords had directed me to produce, in the sense, submit a certificate to the respondent number 2. We have submitted, my lords. Now they have to take the call.
Lord,
Ah,
they've submitted all the records yesterday, my lord.
Yesterday they have submitted the records. They have looked into.
The department will take
12.
Yes.
Monday, my lords, state board.
12. Immediately, my lord, the second round will not start.
Before that, my lords, because if the second round starts, then I'll not be eligible for participating in the second round.
11.
I'm appearing
Is-
for R3.
Because the respondent number 3 is also appearing now.
The certificate which is produced, my lords, are
All
authenticated.
students matters in separate board. Even if it's for the second time.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Grateful.
Bless you.
If
My lords,
the
my
second-
name may be shown.
Second round starts before that, I'll take liberty to move the matter, my lords. Great.
My lords, for R3, my name may be shown, my lords. For R3, I appear, my lords. My name may be shown in the way.
Name of learned.
Please.
This one. Or so and so shall be indicated. As appearing on behalf of this one. Okay.
My lord, I'm appearing for the court is muted, my lord. I'm appearing for the respondent number 194, my lords.
3 months.
194, my lords.
Delay.
I need-
Delay
need
will
some-
entail-
my lord, I need some time to file my affidavit, my lords.
Delay if brooked may entail the respondents very heavy cost. So notice written on 23rd September.
I appear for, in this number, government 2, 3 and 5. I take notice for 2, 3 and 5.
Learned the additional government, Mr. Jaffer accepts notice on behalf of 2, 3 and 5.
Much,
Number
much,
two, Mr.
much.
Jagammohan.
But this contempt petition filed against a respondent for not comply with the orders dated 15/12/2022 in
Notice written about 25th of September.
Number three, Shashwatapadi. Seal number three, Shashwatapadi.
It will go to 25th September.
Seal number four, Mr. Yadunandan.
For the complainant. For the complainant. My lord,
Yes.
page 14, annexure C has not been complained. The complainant has been dismissed from service, my lord. He was ordered to be reinstated. To this date, no action has been taken.
So cause notice issued.
Please, my lord, I've given acknowledgement, I mean, I've given representations.
No, show cause notice.
Show cause notice was not issued, my lord.
Nor you are reinstated.
No.
25th notice.
Number five, Mr. Ravi Shankar K.
Respondent authorities has not complied the order passed by the Honorable Court. There is a specific direction against the Endowment Commission, my lord, for constitution.
25th notice.
Number six, Mr. B.C. Venkatesh.
For the non-compliance of the order, my lord, 26 July 2023. Lord, operative portion, my lord, on 26 page number, in page number 26, my lord, within 6 months.
What is the order?
Lord, there is an order, my lord, seeking regularization of
Page?
page number 26, my lord, in page number 26. Lord, it is a direction to given to the government. The principal secretary, Revenue Department, so and so.
Committee is now already constituted.
Please, my lord, it is the constitution of committee,
It is already constituted.
not yet constituted.
Consider the application.
I'll take instructions.
Notice written on 24th.
Acha.
Number seven, Vaishali Ligde.
Complainant, please, your lordship, the orders at page 30, the relevant portion is at page 50. Has not been complied with, your lordship, it's over 9 months.
26th September. Notice.
Number eight. Mr. Devarajan.
I am for the complainant in this matter. My lords, we had filed a contempt petition. But after we filed the complaint petition, they have,
My instructions
compliance.
is complied, my lord.
Yeah, they have complied the order, my lord.
Both the learned advocates stated that the order under contempt is complied with. In that view, nothing serves in the present proceedings disposed of accordingly.
Much obliged.
Number nine, Mr. Govindraj K.
Order passed in WP, page 18, man.
For the accused number 2.
Notice written on 27th September.
Number 10.
My lord, I appear for the complainant in this case, my lord. Father is the complainant before this honorable court for non-compliance of the GNWC directions wherein visitation rights are granted, my lord. Notice is ordered, my lord. I think.
Notice written on
Much.
27th September.
Number 11, Mr. Srikanth NV.
The complaint, my lords. Page number 12 of the letter single ordered, my lords. Dated 3/4/2024, my operative portion, my lord, page number 12.
Notice written 30th September. 30th September. Yes.
So number 12, Mr. Venugopal MS.
I appear for complainant. Page 19, my lords, the direction of this court. Page 19.
30th September, not in.
Number 13.
But I prefer the compliant in this. Page 18, my lord, para 3 is the positive direction. Not to precipitate, my lord, the matter as against the complainant here. Despite which, my lord, the further actions are taken, my lord, where, my lord, the registration stood cancelled. But, page 148, my lord, is the latest order.
What is the contempt?
But, my lord, we were in, my lord, a writ petition, my lord, challenging the order passed by the RERA authority.
Your voice is not audible. Come on 19th. Yes. Next.
So number 14.
Stand out to
KB Satish Chandra. I appear for the complaint in this matter.
Yes.
Page number 18, my lord.
Page number.
It's in a direction given to the accused to comply the order. The meanwhile, the petitioner approached the Tahsildar seeking continuation of his name in the compressed Pani. Within 1 month, my lord, they are supposed to enter my name in the Pani, but they have not complied the order of this court, my lord. This is complaint is age of 67 years.
So CO to proceedings are not initiated.
They have not initiated any.
Notice written on 30th September.
Great, man. Any short date number? In 2007, my lord, the same order is given to the accused, but they have not complied the order. They initiated the proceeding. That order is also quashed by this honorable court. Now also, the same order is given, my lord. Yet they have not given the issued the
Second time you want notice.
on short date, my lord.
Notice for the second time.
Number 15, please 25th or 22nd, it may be given, my lord. 26, 20. Number 15, Shri Radhakrishnan.
For the complainants, my lord, I am approaching the lordship second time. Kindly see page 22, my lord. Earlier order that has not been complied with, my lord.
So not decided.
No, my lord. No.
30th September. Notice.
Number 16.
My lord, the order not complied is at page 9, my lords.
I think my complaints are yes, what is the direction?
My lord, the order is at page 9, my lord. The operative portion is at page 19. Paragraph 20, my lords.
Complaints.
The direction has been issued to take steps to
Recover the compensations, not to recover.
to recover, my lord. It has not been done, my lords. Steps have to be taken for recovery of the amount. Please, my lords.
My lord, the office at which the address stated in the petition, they have left that place.
This is filed by you, by whom?
My lord, the petition was filed by the workmen, my lord. The order was passed for, there was an order for, there was an award passed directing for payment of compensation. Thereafter, my lord, the labor court, for the recovery of the said amount, the deputy labor commissioner had issued a notice to the deputy commissioner to issue the amount, my lord. Since that amount had not been recovered, a writ petition had been filed before this honorable court seeking for action to be taken.
Who are you?
I'm the workman, my lord.
You are this order is against you.
No, my lord, I am for the complainant, my lord. The order is not against me. The order is on my writ petition seeking for a direction to the respondents number 1 to 3 to recover the amount from respondent number 4.
As arrears of land revenue.
What is contempt?
My lord, they have not. My lord, the order may kindly be seen at page 19.
You are a private person.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You are a private person.
My lord, I'm a workman, my lord. I'm the workman. I'm the petitioner.
I noticed 26th of September.
I have filed my complaints affidavit. with it. I filed my complaints affidavit. We have filed the complaints affidavit.
Reply filed by learned additional government advocate is taken on record.
December 17.
My lord, appearing for the complaint, my lord. Page number 11, my lord.
Page number.
My lord, I had filed a writ petition before this honorable court, whereas a writ petition stands disposed, my lord. The court has directed me to file, to submit a comprehensive representation towards the competent authority within 8 weeks of a stipulated time. The same has been, I have submitted the representation towards the competent authority on 24 of 2024, wherein it has been since 4 months, there is no any sense of representation from the competent authority towards the order dated on 1/4/2024, my lord. Hence, this contempt petition has been filed.
October 14th.
Much obligation.
14th.
December 18 to be promoted.
Happy for the complainant, my lords. Lords, order which is complaint, my lords, there is violation is at page number 14, my lords. Before that, may pursued, my lords, to kindly see page number 27 for a moment, my lords. Para 2, my lords. My lords, the case of the complaint is that, my lords, the accused, my lords, is constructing contrary to the sanction plan, my lords. And there was also report by the BBMP that there were construction contrary to. What is contempt? I'll just point out, page 27 will be seen for a moment, my lords. At page number 27, para 2, my lords, in the writ petition, my lords, there was an interim order passed, my lords, after noting that the accused, my lords, had made construction contrary to the sanction plan, my lords. And there was also a report by the BBMP that there is contrary, and they had issued a provisional order also, my lords. My lords, may kindly see 27 for a moment. After that, my lords, the accused filed a writ appeal, and he obtained an interim order stating that he will construct as per the sanction plan, my lords. Sanction plan is for the stilt ground plus 2 floor, my lords. Now he is constructing the third floor also, my lords. I have produced the photograph. If my lord sees page number 14, my lords. Meanwhile, by way of interim arrangement and without producing the rights of contention to party, the appellant is permitted to put up only authorized legal construction on the scheduled property in accordance with the sanction plan and license plans. To go before learned single judge, the order Lords, brought under in the contempt. writ appeal, my lords, I have even filed application for vacating stay, my lords. It was listed yesterday, but did not reach, and it is posted on 1st of October, my lords. My lords, now he is constructing contrary to the interim arrangement which is made by in this the. Lord learned so and so, the order which is brought under the contempt jurisdiction of this court invoking the provisions of Contempt of Court Act 1971 is admittedly an interim order dated 23rd May 24 passed in the pending proceedings of writ appeal. Please, my lords. Full stop. It's at writ appeal 755 of 24. Portion which is alleged to have been violated. Portion of the order which is alleged to have violated contain the following directions. This one, page 40. Full stop. It is the case of the complaint hearing that the constructions are being put up in violation of the bylaws and contrary to what is provided by the court. Full stop. The court is not inclined to entertain the present contempt petition for the sole ground that the order is interim order and no final rights are crystallized by the court for any of the parties. Also, the issue whether the construction is in accordance with bylaw or otherwise is to be agitated on facts before learned single judge. Not only that, it was stated, paragraph, not only that, it was stated by learned the complainant in course of the hearing that the complainant is already filed an application for vacating. It's in a writ appeal, my lord. My lord, sees page 28 for a moment, my lords. Already there is a provisional order passed by the BBMP, my lords. Page 28.
Already filed an application for vacating the interim leave, full stop. As and when the application for vacating comes up, comma, it will be open for the complainant hearing to raise all the contentions before the bench. Full stop. The contempt proceedings are not entertained. Please. And disposed of accordingly.
We have a complainant in this matter.
And dismissed accordingly.
Appear for complaint.
Mr. Ramesh,
Complaints of order passed by the single judge of this honorable court, my lord.
Serial number?
Serial number 19, my lord. In page number
Where is
23.
the order?
Annexure C, my lord, in page number 23, my lord.
Regularization.
24,
Notice,
regularization.
30th September.
Oblige.
Number 20, Mr. Ranganath S. Joyce. Number 20, Mr. Ranganath S. Joyce.
Appear for the accused.
Complaint. Serial number 20, madam. Appear for complaint, madam. Annexure A is the order portion, madam. My lord, annexure, page number 9, my lord. Page number 9. Annexure A is the order, my lord. Operative portion of the order, page number 14, my lord. The writ petition is allowed. Impugned orders answers is quashed. Next, para number 3, my lord. Court hereby orders that the director of the Karnataka Pre-University Board promptly and diligently comply with the provision of Rule 235A and pass appropriate orders on the representation submitted by the petitioner and consider petitioner's case for gratuity and PF pensioner benefits.
Following are the directions which are brought under the contempt jurisdiction. Following the directions passed by a single judge. In order dated 22/3/24.
Government order, generally, general government orders.
Brought under the contempt jurisdiction and court this 2/3. Full stop. Reading of the aforesaid directions indicate that for the compliance thereof, no time limit is prescribed by a single judge. Therefore, at this stage, it could not be said that any of the respondents have committed any willful default or contempt of the about contempt of the court. Willful contempt, not default. Willful default of non-compliance or have committed any contempt of the court. At the same time, the directions of the court should not go uncomplied with. Therefore, it is directed that the directions passed by a single judge in this order dated 22/3/24 shall be complied with by the respondents concerned within 6 weeks from today, failing which the complainant shall have right to invoke the jurisdiction, contempt jurisdiction. Disposed of. Nobody is there. Nobody is there. Heard learned advocate, Mrs. So-and-so, who appeared online.
Appear for the complainant, my lord.
Yes.
It's at page number, order is at page number 6 and the operative portion is at page number 30, para 26, my lord, where the learned single judge has set aside the order of punishment and the dismissal, my lord, and asked that in view of the superannuation, he be paid all the dues which is due to the workman, my lord. 26 and 27, my lord, para 26 and 27. The order of punishment is set
Here
as
also no time limit is prescribed.
time limit is not fixed, my lord, but within a reasonable time they are ought to have
So the law is
complied.
that you must put them to notice to comply with.
My lord,
Have you done it?
we have approached them and I also given written representation, my lord, to comply with it, my lord. They have not complied with it, my lord, till this day. The order is dated 23rd September 23, my lord. To this day, they have not done it, my lord. And he is 70 years old, my lord, this worker.
Following directions came to be passed by a single judge in order dated 23rd September 23, file disposing of the writ petition. Paragraph 26 to 29, full stop. If it is the aforesaid directions which are sought to be complied with and are brought under the contempt jurisdiction. Then same order, a bare reading of. Lord learned David so and so and so and so who appeared online.
Lordship, may I make one submission? Serial number 35, Your Lordship. This was listed on 21st of August. Thereafter, Your learned AG, Your Lordship, sought time to file the compliance affidavit. They have not even filed. Till today, Your Lordship, there is an urgency. It may be taken up on Monday, my lord. Because only the compliance, Your Lordship, the revenue entries have to be mutated,
What is the urgency?
my lord. Because they'll have to file the compliance affidavit, my lord. They'll
Will file complaint affidavit,
Last-
which number? Serial number?
35, Your Lordship.
35. Compliance affidavit shall be filed within 2 weeks, put up on 25th of September.
Serial number 23.
No, your lordships had heard it on 21st. AG had appeared. In fact, your lordships gave a
That
short
one.
date,
Ah,
28th. So, my lord, to comply, there were 3 other I'm sorry, my lord, I just came
you
from it.
take your
Yes.
time.
Then your lordship, my lord, said that I will not say anything, but you please comply with it. So your lordship gave a very short date. 28th, my lord, the matter came up before the other bench. And today's date was given. Not all that I'm requesting is it could be taken up on 9th.
12th. 12th.
No, because they have said they'll comply.
At the request of Learned of the complainant, stand over to 9th.
My lord, serial number 44, my lord.
Roma as request.
My lord, serial number 44, the interim order may be extended, my lord.
All interim order will be extended.
Grateful.
My lord, serial number 37, my lord.
That will be kept in the week of 17th.
The development has entered appearance. He has entered appearance only for that has come only for that purpose. Hey, file vacality.
Serial number 23, please. 23.
22 may be kept on 12th.
My lord, serial number 37, my lord. Serial number 37.
Take the dates.